Hey, you might not want your students to be able to make comments on your classroom assignments or resources, things like that. Just by default, students can make comments. So if they get into an assignment or a resource like this, there's a class comments um, option here, and students can make comments. You might want to turn that off altogether if you don't want students to be able to do that. Let me show you how. So I'm in my Google Classroom, and on the right hand side, there's that little gear for class settings. And this gets me into the class details where you can fill that in if you want. You can leave it all blank. If you scroll down a little bit here, you get to general. That has your class code. And then next to stream, it says students can post and comment in the stream. You can set it where they can only comment or only teachers can post or comment. You might want to just make it so teachers can post or comment because you also don't want students kind of clogging up the stream with posts either. So I'm going to click that. This also allows you, by the way, to decide how and if students get notifications for things on the stream, whether deleted items show up. You can have it where parents or guardians get a weekly summary email too. There are things on grading down there, but this is the one you want to look at. Just switch this to uh, teachers can post or comment. Click on save. And now you'll have assignments. You can comment on them, but students can't comment on the posts.